Where is Bob? I've been waiting here for hours. Nowhere's Bob. Bob is nowhere to be seen. This is our first date, and he's just blowing me off. Gosh. Just so rude. What am I going to eat? Hamburger, veggie burger, hot dog, french fries. Ooh, I'll have an order of french fries and cookie, malt, lemonade. Ooh, a malt. Yum. Oh my goodness. Look at the time. Where is he? Hey. Bob. Hey. So,
what's up?
Oh, nothing.
Oh, cool. What are you eating?
Just some fries and a malt. What are you gonna have?
I don't know. The usual.
What's the usual?
Veggie burgers, yeah!
Pride to the vegetarian, yeah! You're so funny, Bob. So very funny. So, yeah.
Ba-bum.
Do you want anything today for your lunch? Oh, I'll have an order of french fries and a small malt. And for you, sir? And for you, sir?
Oh, well, I'll just have the usual.
Veggie burger. You come in here so often. Would you guys like any pop? Or, I don't know, a cherry Coke? They're the best. Nah. Are you sure? Nah. Are you sure? Yeah. Are you guys on your first date?
I'm gonna go get your food.
What is taking so long?
I don't know, but it's really, really annoying.
I know, right? When are you gonna get our food? Excuse me, miss? Did you want something? Yeah, our food. When's it gonna be here? Oh, anytime. Anytime. Keep your patience.
Ma'am, I'm on my first date.